Ke Education Committee jong ka Seinñraij Jowai mynta ka sngi phawai tarik ubnai bakhat hajar phulai kala yo ban Pynlong ka program pynsngewthuh ni ka Jingai Jinghikai Kyrpang Halor ka National Education Policy NEP hajar pho ha Yungwalieh ka Loompyrdi Iongpiah Jowai. Mynta ka sngi ya ka jingyalang la penyat te ujuhi nang hulu Chairman Education Committee Seinñraij bat la yo ikangu blay da ka wandalan dekhar kat ba uma Hercules toy President Seinñraij Jowai ula batai shaphang karukam yo jing mentoy ki khna da ka basdang ban pentrei kam ya ka NEP hajar pho. Dr. Rajkumar, Principal JNV Rumbai, East Jante Hills, kum riew shempang, habakren ulaong bakari India kalayat lenti, mentala laisin, ban pentamai bat penjana ya ka National Education Policy, kabaningkong, ha usnem khatkandai spa riew pupra, ha kabaha uni usnem, kala shim ya ka lenti, kum no ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi, da ka ba pensluru ya ki kena ban late school, kat baha usnem khatkandai spa prapohun riew, kabala palat ya ki jingmut, kum no ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi ling baki computer ha ka NEP hajar pho kum juru ha baro kiliang.
But actually it is not new, it is a revised or there was a NEP, but for 34 years I think we have followed the whole system of NEP, and only in 2020 we have a new policy, that is a new education policy.
You all today, and I hope that this very awareness program which we organize today will be of great benefits, will be of great boon.
Much awareness about the education in India, and number of students in school are very less. The first target and first requirement at that time is to bring the children to the schools to have a good quality of education. So 1968, the first education policy is launched by the Indian government that was focused on to bring the students to schools. That means to retain the children in schools. Then after that, the second education policy came in 1986, which was focused on computer education. Because at that time computer just started. They came in knowledge. So what is the need of computer? Like without computer we cannot excel with so many technologies and tools which are very much required to excel to the world also. That we cannot bring our child to the world platform without computer education. So that policy of education, NPE, National Policy of Education, that was known in 1986. But some modifications were there. That means suggestions from the committees they come, and it modified in 1992, and which was to inculcate some skills into the students also. And after that, a new and latest policy of education, that is called National Education Policy NEP 2020, prepared by Indian government under the head of K. Kasturiranjan, and it was approved in a cabinet, Union Cabinet, in 19th July 2020. So it is known as National Education Policy 2020. So what is the need of this policy now? Because the first policy focused on to bring students to school. Second policy focused on computer education mainly. Now this the third one policy came also. So what is the need of this policy at this time? Because we all have the knowledge of technology also. Computers are very much, that means improved versions of computer we are using. This is the time of smartphones also. Drones we are using. There so many technologies have been developed. Now what is the need of this new policy? We have to think over it first of all.